What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to review the attract and convert system. I'm going to show you the members area, everything you need to know about this, how you can benefit and make money online with it, and I'm going to make it a no-brainer for you because I'm going to include a unique bonus package for you so you can get started to make money online with this. To find out all of the details, all you have to do is stay with me, pay attention, watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information on this amazing offer I'm going to give to you inside here today. Alright, let's get started. First off, let's have a look at the sales page a little bit. Basically what this is a blueprint for generating leads and making affiliate commissions. I'm all about email marketing. You heard the phrase, the money's in the list, and that is what this course covers here actually. How you can generate leads with a very powerful free organic traffic strategy here. So let's have a look a little bit here first at the sales page. And you can see here this brand new affiliate marketing system is the fastest and easiest way to attract new leads, convert them into customers and create the lifestyle you desire. So you can see here, turn 100% free traffic into profits quickly and easy. As I said earlier here, it's a free traffic generation strategy, very powerful. It is beginner friendly, proven method here, simple, repeatable and scalable. It can be done in just an hour or two. You might need a few more hours, at least in the beginning, if you're totally new, of course. But when you have started to do 1 or 2 or maybe 3 times with this system, you can definitely do it in just an hour or 2 here. No tech skills or experience is needed, and you get the step-by-step instructions as it says here. Alright, and of course you can scale this up as big as you want. Now this is Edwin. He is the guy who has created the course. I know Edwin. He always sends me whenever he creates something new. I've talked a lot with Edwin. He is one of the good guys. I like the way he teaches also. It's straightforward, no fluff there in everything Edwin is teaching, and he's backing it up also with a case study there. So if I scroll down a little bit, this is me. You can see it. I'm laughing because I don't know where he found actually this picture here. So this has been a few years around, but probably through my Facebook profile. You can see what I left a testimonial for Edwin here. He has put a lot of effort in the members area and is sharing tons of content, secrets and strategies, covering a lot of stuff most marketing won't share with you. And that is completely true actually. So let's scroll down a little bit. You can have a look at the sales page anyway at your own pace here. But basically what you are going to get if you purchase this, of course, the attract and convert system, you're going to get the method. It's simple. It doesn't require any experience or technical skills. Covers everything, meaning nothing is left out there. Has already helped many people to take the business off the ground, and will show you the key principles that are necessary to become a successful affiliate also. So a lot of stuff that Edwin covers inside here. Alright, besides the step-by-step video training that you are going to get here, you are also going to get a done for you sales funnel, and of course all the tools and resources that you need there. So you can see here the easiest system for rapid affiliate profits, your first leads and commissions by tomorrow. So let's scroll down a little bit. As I said, you can have a look at this for yourself. Now, you're going to get a few bonuses also from Edwin here. This is probably one of the most important in my opinion. You get access to a private mastermind group, so whenever you're stuck you can go inside there and ask questions. And you are also going to connect with like-minded individuals there as well. But the cool thing is that Edwin is there, or some of the members there are there to help you out when you are stuck. Alright? You get an exclusive live Q&A training webinar as well, and a quick results case study here also. This is a limited time offer actually, and the same goes for my unique bonus package, so make sure you actually are going to grab this opportunity to get this while it's still available. All right, let's go inside the members area a little bit here. Well organized, you can see I've opened up here, you open and close like this. So well organized as always, as I said, short and straight to the point tutorials from Edwin here. You can see here I can't play the video, it's not fair to share what's inside here. All right, so basically first is the overview, then he moves on to share you how you to find the offers to promote, the traffic generation, how to create also a Facebook profile there, setting up your funnel, creating a lead magnet, creating bonuses, how to create graphics. So you can see he covers everything inside here. Email marketing, these two videos are great actually, about the SOAP email sequence, the sign field. He shares a lot of tips and tricks, as I said, that you probably are not seeing and hear anywhere else actually. And then you have the done for you funnel inside here also. So that is the members area more or less. There is a few upsells here, okay, so you can see, as I said earlier, you have the front end here, a bulletproof blueprint for generating leads and affiliate commissions using a simple yet very powerful affiliate marketing strategies combined with a super effective organic traffic generation method. All right, and you get also the done for you funnel. If you're interested in upgrading, there is the black marketing folder. I had a look at this membership site actually, got access to it from Edwin. There are so many things that are covered inside here. It's definitely, if you're interested and you're serious about making money online, you can't go wrong with this upgrade as well here. Then we have another upgrade, the black swipe file, where it is a swipe file of actual case studies of world's most successful marketing funnels, so you can have a look at that as well. And then there is a done for you funnel, which is tested, generated thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions, so that goes for $167. It totally depends on your budget here. You can definitely get started with the attract and convert system and see if you are interested in upgrading later on also. All right, let's have a look at my unique bonus package here now. So this is the page that you are probably have arrived to. This is going to be the video here. If you are on YouTube, you discover this via YouTube, you find it straight through my channel there and the video. All right, but let's have a look at my bonuses here. First, you have the daily list profits. This is my sales page at dailylistprofits.com. I sell my front end for $27. You can see here it is a method on making $100 plus per day while you build an email list. As I said, I'm all about building an email list here. It is the number one priority in every business, in my opinion. All right, so if I scroll down a little bit, you can see I back it up with proof here. So let me show you inside the members area. All right, if you want to have a look at the sales page here, you can go to daily list profits. It's $27, but you're going to get this for free here if you grab the attract and convert system through my link. So this is my members area. This is an updated video. I show you everything, how to apply actually, how to get traffic, how to track everything. This is actually in private networks, all right? So it's not the usual stuff, you know, ClickBank, Amazon and stuff like that. These are very, very rare offers that you can't get access to if you don't know where you are going to go to apply for actually. And I'm showing you everything inside here. This is the case study that I showed you how I made $715 in 2 days. It was actually, as you could see, the sales page, it says 420 in 24 hours, all right? And that was actually with this case study here. So I cover everything inside there, from overview, funnels going to be explained, how to register domains there, how to create a report, finding offers with the private networks, 2 videos actually here, autoresponders, purchasing, setting up your list, tracking. I'm covering also traffic strategies here and the conclusion, plus a few bonuses there as well. But on top of that, you can see here that I'm actually going to include my pro video training here. So this is a $97 value, all right? My pro video training is a business in a box because these are watch over my shoulder style step-by-step tutorials, and I cover everything about from purchasing domain, purchasing hosting, installing WordPress, how to create a free report, how to find offers to promote in 1, 2, 3, 4 networks here, how to purchase and set up autoresponder, how to set up squeeze page, set up thank you page, broadcast, everything, as I said, plus a few bonus videos here also is covered inside here. You don't need anything else here together with the attract and convert system. You have a complete business in a box to get started to make money online with this. All right, so if I scroll down a little bit, I also have, of course, niche authority, 200 and social media marketing tactics, and viral traffic search here. You're going to get all these bonuses delivered when you purchase the attract and convert system here through my link, of course. All right, you're actually going to get a second email where it says that your bonuses, and you're going to find a link there. So all you have to do is just sign up, so you are ready to go to get access to my bonus there as well. So there you have it, the attract and convert system. If I just scroll down here at the end, it goes for $12.95 the front end here during the launching days. Make sure you take advantage because the price will go up there. Finally, this is the Q&A here. It is a complete step-by-step video training for affiliate marketing of all levels. Together with my bonuses, I would say you are going to get 3 courses in one, a complete business in a box, a no-brainer in my opinion there. This is newbie friendly, definitely. And you get the step-by-step training done for your affiliate funnel, tools and resources. So there you have it, the attract and convert system. As I said, you'll find links right here below this video. If you are on YouTube, you find a link inside the description also to go and grab the attract and convert system with my unique bonus package. Alright, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new video that I upload about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, and much more. And I'll see you in the next one.